So it was general. It was regarding the general law and order situation of the district. There are not many crimes or anything detected, but then we were reviewing the performance of the SDMs and the SDPOs with regard to disposal of the cases, which are especially filed under the new criminal laws. Then we were taking this review of the law and order situations which have happened, and also the possible issues that might come up. For instance, we are having the new NEET UG examination coming next month. Then we are having Sapta festival. Then we are having Independence Day also. So basically, we are taking a review of the preparedness. Then there are certain instructions also from the High Court regarding bullfighting, then sand mining, and all. So we were ensuring that the message has gone to all the stakeholders strongly, and that there is a proper coordination mechanism when it comes to sand mining, then bullfighting, and other things. Because of the High Court instruction, High Court has given us an action plan wherein it was mentioned that nodal officers have to be appointed for taluka, and there should be a committee which is comprising of the mamladar, a police inspector, veterinary officer, and a bull handler. So earlier, what was happening is the bull handlers were not identified, so it was very difficult for the police officers to contact the nearby bull handler. Similarly, it was difficult for the other officers who were also in the committee. So we have identified the officer and we have notified by name along with contact number so that there will be a proper coordination.